Two men A and B run a 4 kilometer race on a course 1 by 4 kilometer round. If their speeds are as 5 is to 4, how often does the winner pass the other if they run in the same direction? Now, the ratio of their speeds of A and B is 5 is to 4. Now, they are running in the same direction. So, the difference between the ratio of their speeds will be equal to the number of times they meet on the circumference. Now, the difference between their ratios is 1. Therefore, we can say that they meet only once on the circumference of the circular round. So they must be meeting only once at the starting point when A completes 5 rounds and B completes 4 rounds. Now, the total race is of 4 kilometers. That means 4,000 meters. And each round is of 250 meters. So we can say to win the match, to win the race, you will have to make 4,000 upon 250, that is 16 rounds. Now A and B are going to meet for the first time when A makes 5 rounds and B makes 4 rounds. They will meet for the second time when A makes 10 rounds and B makes 8 rounds. Next, they will meet when A completes 15 rounds and B completes 12 rounds. Now, the next meeting will happen when A completes 20 rounds. But that is not necessary because the race is of only 16 rounds. So therefore, A will meet B or A will pass B only 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. So answer will be thrice.